Hi guys, today we have the new YJ MGC 4x4. I'm super excited for this because I think it has a chance to beat my AoSu WR M. We'll see. So it came with this accessory box. Let's see what it's provided inside. Ooh, we have a screwdriver, which comes in blue color. Now I think we have some extra magnets and some springs. So here's the cube. Immediately I feel that this cube is quite light compared to my WRM. I have it right here, so it's noticeable. The weight is very noticeable. It's quite light, so I'm super excited for this. First of all, the feel. The feel is quite nice. Like all the MGC puzzles, it has a smooth and fast turning, and it also provides a slight squishy feel that I'm quite enjoying. The magnet strength is actually pretty weak, I would say, because it's not as strong as WRM. I'm not sure why some people say that the magnets are too strong for them. The WRM is noticeably stronger, but yeah, this weak magnets is very nice for my turning style because I may like stronger magnets, but for this cube, I don't think that stronger magnets work that well on this specific puzzle. So it's very nice to actually, turn this cube with some lighter magnets. The outer layer magnets actually feel stronger than the inners. I'm not sure why, but it actually holds on pretty nicely. It doesn't really misalign when I'm turning the outer layers, which is quite nice. Yeah, YJ did a good job on this. The one thing I'm actually noticing about the appearance of it is that the kind of cuts on this kind of pieces are quite deep, and then as you can see, you can actually see some holes between the pieces, which almost seem like the WRM, but the WRM is not as deep as the MGC, so you can't really see much of a difference, but this one is actually quite a big holes. Actually want to compare the WRM and the MGC. You can actually notice that the MGC corner cutting is actually not that bad, but yeah, it's actually decent, and the reverse is not that far. I think it's quite similar to WRM. Maybe WRM can cut further. Yep, the WRM definitely can cut further. But this is after tensioning, while this one is just out of the box tensions. So you can see this is quite loose, while this one is quite tight. And sometimes tighter cubes can actually perform better, and the corner cutting can actually cut more than looser cubes. Also, I forgot to mention the size. The MGC 4x4 is slightly larger than the WRM, making it at 60mm compared to the 59mm of WRM. The feeling of these two puzzles are quite different. The WRM has a crispy feel, while the MGC has more smoother and plush feeling. Overall, I think that the MG 4x4 is quite a good cube. It is half the price of the WRM, and it is performing better than the WRM right off the bat. So I think it has a chance to be my main, but I need some setup before deciding whether it will be my main or not. So thanks to YJ for sending this cube to me, and peace.